Today I am going to teach you most important lesson for your daily life. Let's watch a movie. අපි චිත්‍රපටයක් බලමු. Let's watch a movie. What's the matter? මොකක්ද කාරණාව? What's the matter? Keep it up. ඒක කරගෙන යන්න. Keep it up. I'll think about it. මම ඒ ගැන හිතන්නම්. I'll think about it. You look great today. ඔයා අද ලස්සනයි. You look great today. Don't make excuses. නිදහසට හේතු කියන්න එපා. Don't make excuses. I'm sorry, I forgot. සමා වෙන්න මට අමතක වුණා. I'm sorry, I forgot. Let's take a break. අපි විවේකයක් ගමු. Let's take a break. Don't give up. අතාරින්න එපා. Don't give up. Boil some water for tea. ඒ සඳහා වතුර ටිකක් උණු කරන්න. Boil some water for tea.